welcome to the new episode of Raw and Real Finance. In today's episode, we will be discussing American Express Trifecta, famously called AMEX Trifecta. AMEX Trifecta stands for 3 cards within AMEX family. The first one is Platinum Travel Credit Card, the second one, Gold Charge Card, the third one, Membership Reward Credit Card. If you use all 3 cards smartly, you can rack up around 1,20,000 points on spends of 7.2 lakhs annually. That is whooping 20% return. So we would generally recommend to all our viewers to go and apply all 3 cards because you can make 20% return on spends annually. However, if you are someone on a lower side of your spends, roughly around 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs in a year, we would recommend to apply AMEX Platinum Travel Card only. In today's episode, we have put detailed review of all these 3 cards. We recommend you to see the entire video till the end, and at the end of the video, we have given a bonus tip how to make best use of your MR in terms of redemption strategy.
For our today's episode where we are going to talk about one of the most rewarding cards in a premium category, which doesn't cost that much.
Exactly. Today's card is a darling for premium users, offering incredible rewards, competitive fees, and solid benefits. If you are really serious about optimizing your spends and lifestyle perk, this card should definitely be on your radar. Let's introduce the American Express Platinum Travel Card. This card has been my go-to card for years, and trust me, it's worth every swipe.
Amex has always been a trailblazer in the credit card space. I feel that every serious credit card enthusiast should actually have at least one Amex credit card in their portfolio. But Rushank, what makes this card so special?
Great question. The Amex Platinum Travel Card is a standout, especially if you have annual spends hovering around 4 lakhs or more. Here's why. First, let's talk about the milestone benefit. When you hit 4 lakhs in spends, you earn 40,000 membership rewards points. Plus, additionally, you get 10,000 Taj vouchers, which is perfect for your staycation, dining, or relaxing spa experience.
To add to what Rushank said, the value doesn't actually stop there. You always get basic points on all your transactions. So, if you get 2 points for 100 rupees at 4 lakhs, you get almost 8,000 points, which actually add on to your milestone reward as well. So the ROI almost shoots up to 12% even if you don't do any of their promotions which run around almost every Diwali or Republic Day or Independence Day.
So how are membership reward points valued, and what are the best way to redeem them? I think membership reward points are incredibly versatile. Their value depends on how you use them. Partner transfer. If you transfer these points to Amex travel partners like Marriott Bonvoy or Hilton Honors, you can get a value of around 60 paisa per MR point. For instance, I used my MR points to book a luxurious stay at a Westin Rishikesh. Just to tell you all my viewers, we actually redeem 2 rupee per MR point on my stay at Westin Rishikesh. So 60 is a base kind of a value you can generate. However, it can go upward to 2 or 3 rupees as well. Also, we are sharing 3 properties across world where we can redeem more than 1 rupee value. If you prefer cash rather than redeeming your points, you can redeem points as a statement credit, but here, each point is worth only 25 paisa. So if you are strategic, you can easily maximize your rewards and get 54,000 worth of value on 4 lakh spend when you factor in points and vouchers.
Exactly. And let me share 2 more strategies with you, which I personally use. So there's something called Amex Reward Multiplier, which is again hosted by Gifter. So you can actually use this platform to get accelerated MR points on platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, and there are multiple e-commerce sites where you can actually use them. And I usually buy 10,000 rupees of Amazon Pay balance vouchers for myself, which I use. And this only adds all the MR points onto my already existing tally. And therefore, it boosts my reward rate by 2 to 3%. And obviously, then if you have some high value spends like travel booking, dining, lifestyle, luxury shopping, etc., or you have any international shopping, I think that's where you can actually boost your point balances significantly by using the offers that Amex actually runs time to time.
It's amazing. And let's not forget the premium perks that you get along with this card. Lounge access is a big one for the frequent travelers, right?
Yeah, you get 8 travel domestic lounges per quarter. So basically, one card covers one person's a single trip every quarter. And you get complimentary priority pass, which you can use for lounges globally. And then obviously, if you are traveling by car, you can refuel your car at the HPCL outlets where you don't get any fuel surcharge on any spend between rupees 500 to 25,000. So, but these are small perks. But yes, the key benefit is the membership reward point that you accrue over your 4 lakh rupees spent. So let's recap. For an annual spend of rupees 4 lakh rupees, you're getting 10,000 rupees as Taj vouchers, 48,000 as a membership reward points on a base case, and any accelerators or any gifter multipliers or the membership reward multipliers that you do, you get more points. So that almost creates a 12 to 15% kind of an ROI on a premium card, which does not cost a premium. So what's the final verdict, Rushank?
My verdict? It's crystal clear. The AMEX Platinum Travel Card is a must-have if you want to combine premium benefit with high-value rewards while keeping fees reasonable. It's an all-rounder card that works for frequent travelers, luxury seekers, and even day-to-day users.
Love it. So listeners, if you haven't added this card as yet to your wallet, then I think you should take this opportunity to get this card as soon as possible and maximize your returns in the credit card game.
We will talk about another gem from AMEX family, which can boost your reward journey of luxury travel for free. So let's talk more about the American Express Membership Reward Credit Card. If you are considering a credit card which is easy to apply and easy to get with higher rewards with lesser spends, this is a card to have. So Abhishek, what do you say?
Yes, indeed, Rushan. This is one of the best and cheapest credit cards from the Amex table, and you can get a lot of membership reward points with very little spends and very little planning. The Amex team themselves say such cards can easily actually help you boost your credit card balance by thousands of membership reward points.
Yeah. So let's kickstart that. The membership reward card comes at a fees of rupees 1,000 for first year with 4,000 MR as a joining benefit on doing transaction of rupees 2,000. About the reward rate, you get 2 points for each rupees 100 spent, and then for 4 transactions of over 1,500 rupees, you get 1,000 MR points each. Not only is that, if you do a transaction worth rupees 20,000 in a month, you get another 1,000 points. Finally, when you use this card on the reward multiplier platform, you get 2x reward membership points on your spends.
Wow, that's a lot of points. So if I get it right, if I'm spending 20,000 rupees in, let's say, 4 transactions of 5,000 rupees, not only do I get 2x reward points on the multiplier, so effectively 400 membership reward points, and then I also get 1,000 bonus points on 4 transactions and 1,000 bonus points on 20,000 spent. So that's almost 2,400 points in a month for just spending 20,000 rupees.
Yep. As we talked earlier, getting 50-60 paisa worth on each MR is very easy, while you can actually go up as high as 1 rupee if you do some smart planning. So effectively, reward rate goes up to 6 to 12% on this card, and even this is applicable for low spenders.
If you look at it this way, you get 28,800 points for a spend of 2.4 lakh rupees. And not only that, when you use a special referral link, you actually make 6,000 more points as joining and referral bonus. So that's almost 36,000 points, which can actually give you 3 nights at a luxury hotel in a Marriott hotel chain across the world, and especially in India.
That's right. 3 days of luxury experience for free, while you can also redeem this MR for vouchers and gift cards from Taj, Flipkart, Amazon, Tanishq, etc. The value isn't that great, but you can always look at the gold collection redemption for 18,000 or 24,000 points just in case if you have no plans to spend your points on Marriott hotels.
And this is actually a great card to have in coupling with your Amex Travel Platinum card, because then the point that you get 60,000 points that you can actually earn from an Amex Platinum Travel card, and then you get almost 36,000 points from this card, you can actually reach almost up to a lakh of points with only these 2 cards and only 6.4 lakh rupees of spending.
Third card from AMEX Trifecta family, which can boost your reward journey for luxury travel.
Let's understand what actually is a charge card. Unlike a credit card where you can actually carry forward your balances after the month end by paying some interest, a charge card is actually supposed to be paid in full. So at the end of the period where you get your bill, you have to pay the full outstanding and you cannot carry any balances. Such cards are called charge cards, and Amex is the only player in India which is offering 2 charge cards in India, namely the Platinum charge card and the Gold charge card. Now, these cards are offered with significant limit, but also advertised that they have no limit at all. However, the downside is that you have to pay your bill in full, and therefore you cannot go it on extravagant spending using these cards.
So just like membership reward credit card, this card offers significant rewards for small monthly transaction. This will help you rack points much faster and hence a must credit card in your portfolio.
So Abhishek, what do you say?
Absolutely, Risha. This is a card which is easy to get, helps create a sizable balance of membership reward points along with the membership rewards card as well as the platinum travel card. The Amex team themselves markets this card that it is the easiest card to get and it can help you rack up almost thousands of points every month with very little spending.
The gold charge comes at a fees of rupees 1000 at the start of the first year. You get 4000 MR points as you do a transaction of rupees 2000. The reward rate is 2%, that is you get 2 points for each rupees 100 spent. And this comes the bonus kicker. You get 1000 bonus points on doing 6 transactions of 1000 rupees or more. Finally, when you use this card on the reward multiplier, you get 5x reward multiplier points. Not 2x or 3x but 5x rewards, just like the super premium platinum charge card.
Wow. So let's understand the maths here. So if I'm doing 6 transactions on the Amex rewards multiplier platform for 1000 rupees each, I actually end up with 600 points on my spending and then 1000 reward points as a monthly bonus. So that is 1600 points almost on 6000 rupees spent, which is a mind-blowing 26% membership reward points return and equivalent converts to Merit Bonvoy points.
Yes, as we have talked earlier, getting 50 to 60 paisa worth on each MR is very easy, while you can actually go as high as rupee 1 if you do some careful planning. So effective reward rate goes up to 26%, and this is even applicable for low spenders. In 1 year, you end up with almost 19,200 points with 72,000 rupees spent. Along with 4,000 as a joining benefit points and 2,000 referral points, you can make total of 25,000 points on spending 73,000 rupees in first year.
And we have already talked about the AMEX Trifecta, which includes the Amex Platinum Travel Card and the Amex Membership Rewards Card, which you can see in our earlier episode. And if you combine all these cards and get these cards together and spending very carefully, we can couple the 60,000 points from the Amex Platinum Travel Card, 35,000 points from the Membership Rewards Point Card, and then finally 25,000 points from the Cold Charge Card, which makes you reach almost 1,20,000 points in a year by spending around 7.2 lakh rupees, including the fee. That's a mind-blowing 20% return.
And with this 1.2 lakhs points, you can do 2 to 3 nights Dubai vacation or almost a trip to London for 2 on Virgin Atlantic Airlines. You can also end up watching India-Pakistan in Dubai. We have put another video on this. Do check it out our homepage. You can also redeem this MR points for vouchers and gift cards from Taj, Flipkart, Amazon, Tanish, etc. Also, this gift card are available as gold charge collection for 18,000 to 24,000 points. You can normally hold one charge and 2 other credit cards, so that completes the trifecta. But if you take a platinum charge, you can hold 4 credit cards from AMEX.
Till then, like, share and subscribe to our channel and do use our special referral link in the description box, which will help you get free referral bonuses on applying all the Amex membership reward card or gold charge card or platinum travel card. To know how I spent 12 lakh rupees over 3 years to actually gain a holiday worth 15 lakh rupees, I used my Amex Platinum Travel Card to earn 50,000 reward points on every 4 lakh rupees I've spent in 3 years during COVID, and I accumulated that to my Merit Reward Points as Merit Bonvoy Points. I used 150,000 Merit Bonvoy Points to actually take this holiday at Jashme in Turkey for 5 nights in the presidential suite, which actually cost 15 lakh rupees for the 5-day vacation. This includes breakfast and lounge access for a family of 4, and the entire suite was fully paid.
Hi Abhishek, I am at Taj Bakal. I am checking out today. I'll be using Taj voucher which we receive on AMEX Platinum Travel Card on achieving 4 lakh spends. The 10k voucher will help me to reduce my spends on my trip. I really want to thank Taj and AMEX with coming with such offer for the credit card users and helping reduce their overall spends. So thank you Taj and AMEX.
Hey Risha, do you really want to know how you can actually earn more than 20% ROI with your Amex reward points? Here's how. Just transfer 33,000 Amex reward membership reward points to Virgin Atlantic Flying Club and get 16,500 Virgin Atlantic points. You can actually redeem this for a ticket worth rupees 59,000 in premium economy from Delhi to London right in the middle of the English summer. All this just for spending 2.4 lakh rupees on an annual basis. Isn't that incredible? This is your premium travel hack, especially for our viewers and subscribers.
So thank you everyone for watching this video. Till then, keep swiping, keep saving.